So I got this Acer laptop in. And you can see that it's clearly cracked. I love it when I get stuff like this. It's so nice. You can see the windows in the background loading. So I'm going to do a little tutorial and show you how to change out your screen. It's going to be fun. First, it's just remove power, and it's got a battery, so you want to remove your battery. Like somebody already tried working on this once, it wasn't me. Anyway, once you get your battery removed, we'll get to the next screen. Basically, what you're going to do is, after you got your battery out, all you're going to do is go around the glass here. Go up the frame. Once that's done, take this screw out here, take this screw out here, and the screen will flip forward. You'll still be on the hinges here. You might have to take this screw out here. Let's just take these two out for now, and we'll see what we can do next. Okay, you have to take all 4 screws out, and then the screen will be able to flip up like this. Now you want to be careful that you don't do any damage to this cable at the bottom. And it's got this tape here, and to peel back the tape. We'll do that now. And that's pretty much all the extent of doing that, is peeling the tape back, take the connector out, put your new screen in. So let's take this off, show you how this can be a little difficult. Normally you have 2 hands doing this. I gotta hold one hand with this. And that's it. And your screen is disconnected. That's all there is to it. Changing out your screen. So when you put a new screen in, connect this, take the stuff back up, put your 4 screws back in the holder, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. I like positive feedback. I'll see you guys next time.